And for the final updates of today, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see that we've had our break of structuring towards the downside. This is our current swing high, and this is our current swing low. We liquidated this high here before seeing that demand chain break. However, we failed to trade low, putting in a new lower low. Since then, we then switched the supply back to demand. We've now seen an internal break of structure. So this says to me that price is going to remain bullish. This is the current demand zone that is in control, and any retracement I do anticipate to get pushed further up. These highs here are a nice liquidity target if you are bullish. Just bear in mind this is trading against the daily swing structure. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had our most recent break of structure over here. So this is my swing low and this is my swing high. We have got this liquidity low and this liquidity low as points of liquidity that we could look for to see that structural shifting towards the upside. However, I just don't really like USD Swiss at the moment. It's not a pair that I'm actively trading. Following on from USD Yen, we've now broken this supply zone, which was relatively strong because it liquidated something. We're at 161 levels, and I do just feel like that intervention is just around the corner. I've been seeing a lot of articles at the minute that says that the only reason the Bank of Japan haven't entered the forex market is because the prices that we're currently seeing are as a result of a strong dollar rather than a weak yen. But at some point, they will have to intervene because it's bad for their currency. So just waiting for that. USD CAD, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structuring towards the downside, and we have now broken the high with a wick, and if we get close today we'll have a valid break of structure. But as it stands currently, this is my swing high, this is my swing low. We're internally bullish, so I do expect a close on the daily, so my bias for today would be higher prices. I want to see a nice candle close on the daily. We've got our break of structure here. This is the swing range. We're so overextended. I think lower prices are coming, but you can't really short anything until we break this low. And then at that point, you're at the 50% of the fib. So USD CAD's another one I'll just stay out with at the moment. There are better pairs to be trading.